Masaba Technical and Vocational College igego kwarigania intake ya January eyu ebwata chikosi ao bunabono agriculture and environment studies, mechanical and automotive engineering, refrigeration and air conditioning, welding and fabrication na wigo ase ensema ya building and civil engineering nkwegeli bale plumbing, masonry, carpentry and joinery, building technology, civil engineering na wigo water engineering ase ensema ya computing and informatics nkwegeli bali ICT operator, ICT technician, computer packages, cyber security na wigo na network system administration asinsema ya electrical and electronic engineering nkwegeli bali electrical installation na wigo electrical engineering asinsema ya cosmetology nkwegeli bali hairdressing wigo mbabwate fashion design ase hospitality and tourism nkwegeli bali food production yani cookery na wigo food and beverage production.
Asa Maria Tengorogu James Barari Nyakundi, a principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College, eye gotoka Alimongoni, Kitutu Masaba North Sub-County, Kitutu Masaba Constituency, Nyamira County. Abana baino bali ba college school cha class 8 wose form 4 batagiye universities acha teyo babere isiko ekiagara bone gase Kitutu Masaba ntobwate chikose zicheme kono cy'ububundi cyonsi. Abana ngwakana bali kibese ne serikali wetera the government scholarship mkwaye bali loan cyo gosoma wetera help higher education loans board ne kibese cyo mwana nkwaye wale kiri tutokoroka out of pocket ekyo mwana gotumia ko menye school urendagera na gwakane se nyomba komenya egento kende abana nkwaye bali constituency bursaries and even county government bursaries ekyo applications chirororo naba bunge unabaona mu bungo Kitutu Masaba constituency bwana honorable Clive Gisairo we are committed sana aso support abana bagocha Kitutu Masaba egende tangania atabiri mwana ndo kwense gocha Kitutu Masaba wekagwe bursary in full intabana baito January intekinega ndereta abana bali bakoso school January mwakaribishwe ndogenderete na intake na application sinchigenderete
asamange nabo okubatalira ase school yiga kose obakirisi ni gutrasa kiramba cyabo 0743480999 kose 0782490068.
Waire biana inde mwancho muri abuge tasiniki yake Agatembe TV yabto creator ikayamo igori shinse komicha bono maragoba Jumapili yeiga engia yechitarike 2023 mutinye 12 mwaka wa 2025 na boiga ne Jumapili yo mwere yo mwaka yega wa 2025 ekionga asenshira yo wenye njengoro kwa Catherine Nyabuga wisoni makuru kuraso muno abimanyeriro maikuru skuru studio akabere nera gotakonya kwanike muna chibichechi na boiga Mario ikira chira senchira ere yo ikranu ikaranso ike obenentu goika omwero na togo chaka abamenyi ikorwa ikinyoro kyanyabisya kegotoka ibunge abasi imeye county ya Kisii ni gobeso kire na gosaba obotoero ruba bararo iriko moene pitongeni oyo kabeiro Montreva wechigari chimechanga anemono asoro bongoro rya rwa mugonga korengana na ngina Peter serieta true false anyanchama nigo mwana ye akolire wetane mutinyo mugima as enkendu asingencho mungino yo mokeni gatineti okweni wa kwaye mungina turubosa ni gatebire unaho gutunenwa kuko mutini kapita ni go kwa morentera mayanda anene mono neba no kuichana okonene ase mungino yoye omoke korengana n'abanyakenyoro abereka wanchirana bunna pita ainiwe go samatanga akorekane ase chitunda ibere korende bonjoka na magega yaya wikia ekina ase ekegambero
inchengo teba umwana oyone batige bina umusubati oyo ngotusumbuare umwana oyona achicha atindeku ebina nebyo kyagotoretera ataseli kubwenkeye tago tuabere tutinde komobere inchengo chikomotebya tuabere tutinde komobere buna ntwaba isemoke atuabere tutinde komobere nyore n'abama tebatebire bonse piesa bukese ningi mamuno tuabere tutinde komobere ntwanya korra bikonebi ibikonebi atuchandire ntwanya korra otaseli ribona ntukunya utoletere bina kore buo ntubano korera tole tuabere tutinde komobere nale kera tualenge kitali kijiri ntwa ingwanjira netemna tutinde komobere bikone kebyo gotokorera bono watokorera bikonebi be tige bina
abantu baito tega bamanyiri ichiko naende senga kiyabona gakenya yaito umumura nareto musubati maragoba bakora matukabere korengana nelijiko lya Kenya ino musubati oyo umwana ominto rwarenga kientambe eyetali enga kiaro narenga retina maturu bosa kuna kunyuganyugo egento nare go sabe serikali yetu nelinga umwana ominto pitoralire igabwata abangina babere na mama mwabo tigaretenka umongina turubosa no mongina obangete family yaje buya obatanenire buri mubuye sokoro buya obangire nonya nasagorete buno umongina buno mukungu nonyora anti yane no mukungu akoruku bune bukweko teba obangira abana babonse babire ali asaka gorete kiginga oire abana abahororo obangire ebintu buno muga kongeni tata amutigerete atabwati obaguzi jo nare gusabanga buna mwanya bantu umwana oyo kobeke kine kasini yane omoeli nka akoretu nkana agocha komenya igoteri buya kunyuga nyugu muchioyo umuchi achitakanyora ole buya ekiagara sata getogusukyo yo mwabakurwa ere tabwati amanyi nga mwanya bantu
twekaransete agatotebiti omobere utinde kwe nande bono tonchukeire ekiarenge otwatebaneti omobere utinde ku ochiche tariki 29 utinde ku tariki 30 nande bono twanyorera amarube y'abantu bagatigocha otoreteire omuchando muna rero chuma mosi twasomire lirube otoreteire omuchando lirube ly'abantu bagati
twanga mwanya bantu iko tware ko sabanga buna family ari wancha atiga tokora masisi yaito buya to ni umwana omuntu chuma ina buya buna twabangire ekiagara eyene ntunda ya kabere na anda gotenini ngo tamara go cha serikali lakini serikali ina ande kuira no go cha community ekiagara amangana ya malimo na amangana ko kambone community kurunka ikona bere buyara osyubu amate obuya n'abantu banka ekiagara at the end of the day onyere tararu asenseye nera togocha komenya komoga
Togo tigana nayo murebwensi ya Kenya Daktari William Samoei Ruto nigo nera kwanero murobiro bwetsemi OCBC gose CBET anamono chinga kichiga abariki wabatanga nibo murobiro yo bagocha gosoches ebirasi bya senior secondary school umwaka ogocha okwana chinga kikirana mujega bugo chengere myaka 20 yekanisa ya Covenant Church International imeya Rotian county ya Narok morayo yubwense nigateba emirobiro yo kwarigania aboro kigwa gwetania emilioni ya muntu guteyemo asebirase bya senior secondary nigo yaikiranire.
Najua tulianzisha mfumo mpya wa elimu ambayo inaitwa CBC, sasa imekuwa CBET. Na hiyo mpango tulifanya transition ya kwanza miaka 3 iliyopita kutoka primary school mpaka junior school. Sasa mwaka huu ni mwaka wa pili ama awamu ya pili ya kufanya transition ya CBC kutoka junior school mpaka senior school. the first cohort of our young men and women going to senior school is going to happen in January. It is a most consequential transition in Kenya because it is part of the transition of our education reform process that now is going to give us a new way of our students progressing with their education. So a most consequential exercise is underway in Kenya. 1.1 million children in Kenya will be transitioning from junior school to senior school in January. I want to assure parents across the Republic of Kenya and all other stakeholders that we have made adequate arrangements. Every child, the 1.13 million children in Kenya, each of them has a place to go to in senior school. Hakuna mtoto hata moja atakosa nafasi ya kwenda katika shule ya senior school ama secondary school.
Tugendrete kurigirira inkwana ya Muraibu Inse ana muno chinga kero kwanera Chisemi asemo inde muskerutoni ga kwanera alikiraniri ensemo ye Chisemi ana muno kulika borkia kwagache birasi na boigo kwagache chi laboratory igento keirere osekerengete gusira Chisemi cy'abana abakenya kibesa cyo gusira masomo gose capitation nigo cyabwa tukiri gucece skuru osenigo cyabwa tukire na nigo chira ikeche skuru ase abargo batara igora mapema mutinyi ogocha serikali nigo yabwa tukire shiringi bilioni 44 kurengana no Muraibu Inse asaburi abana siasa wetanga na siasa anemono sense media yitse
nafasi ya kutosha. Pale nyuma niliwaeleza tumeajiri waalimu kufikia Januari itakuwa waalimu 100,000. Tumejenga madarasa 23,000. Tutakamilisha mahabara ama laboratories 1,600 kufikia mwezi wa 3 mwaka huu, na vile vile tumehakikisha ya kwamba ile capitation ambayo serikali tunatoa 22,000 kwa kila mwanafunzi, tayari serikali tumetoa 44 billion shillings this week to make sure that the transition in January is going to be smooth. There will be resources in our schools. Pesa itakuwa shuleni kabla ya watoto kufika shuleni. Pesa ya kuwasomesha. And therefore I want to tell those people who are introducing small politics and unnecessary propaganda into the education of our children. I am telling them to keep off our children. Watu ambao wako na siasa fitina ndogo ndogo, madalali wa siasa ya bure, wanataka kuingiza watoto wetu kwa mambo ya siasa ambayo haina maana. Mimi nataka niwaeleze watafute mahali ingine ya kupeleka siasa, wawachane na watoto ya Kenya. Watoto wa Kenya wote 1,130,000 wote watapata nafasi ya kwenda katika shule ya senior school Januari. Tumetoa pesa kama serikali bilioni 44. Pesa hiyo itakuwa shuleni kabla ya watoto kufika shuleni. Na hakuna pesa imepunguzwa ya kusomesha watoto wetu. Hawa watu wanaongea hapa, nimesikia wanajaribu kuongea. Wapeleke siasa mbali. Sijui kama tunaelewana. Wawachane na watoto ya Kenya. Watoto wa Kenya ni
Mwaziri bobore ndi boime Moscow Onesmus Kipchumba murikomeni garuro kobolia gocha saba ibori go Kenya abana babo azu cinchira chire chingia kweneke bunango twara bari chimbo go samaskani okwana korwa ikanisa ya AIC rewo ime ya Kamende gotoka county ya Trans Nzoia Moscow murikomeni go ateba nerebuya abana bakini we ime ye kanisa.
let us invest in Sunday school. Sunday school ndio kila kitu. And I'm very happy. Ule mwalimu wa Nyota, I was very happy. That was the best part of the service today. Because inamaanisha watoto wetu wanaelekezwa katika Yesu na kwamba wanaelekezwa kwa njia bora, and that is the best way. That is the future. And this is a very Kenya, average age our Kenya is in 19 years, 19-20. The biggest population is young people. So tukikuja church kama hii, hatutaki tufike hapa tuone wazee ni wengi kuliko vijana. We must see the young being more than the old, because the population is 19. So meaning, lazima to reach out to the rest of our young people. Let's make the church and the mission become attractive to them, and let's reach out in their own language. Tuwafikia hawa kwa lugha yenye wanaelewa na kwa njia ambazo wanaelewa. Because naongea hapa kama waziri wenu wa usalama. Ili tuweke Kenya ikuwe salama, lazima tupambane na zile janga ambayo inawaumiza vijana wetu. In our own houses, lazima tukue ni sisi ndio leaders. Uwezi, nataka niseme hivi, kama wazazi, mimi siwezi sasa niachie watoto wakue wanaenda kufunzwa tu na shule. Lazima pia tuwe na nafasi ya kufunza hawa nyumbani. Pia nyinyi wazazi mjue ya kwamba watoto wenu sio responsibility ya serikali. Serikali iko na responsibility yake, lakini responsibility number 1 ni nyumbani. Na therefore nyumbani must be the right place penye tunawapatia right values. Number 2, kanisa. Kanisa plays a very important role in shaping these young people. And it's important tukuwe na proper curriculum. Yeah? Tusitumie ile curriculum ilitumiwa kwa sisi. Pastor na team yako, I cannot teach you this. Lakini from a security perspective and from my personal experience kwa kanisa, lazima tuchukue also our curriculum kwa kanisa ya youth na children iambatane na the challenges they are facing in this time. Tusifunze hawa vile sisi tulifunzwa, tuwafunze vile generation yao iko, na tuwafikie vile wanaweza kufikiwa kupitia zile njia ambazo wao wanaelewa vizuri. Kama ni musiki, kama ni acting, kama ni music, kama ni songs, hiyo ndio njia moja itaweza kuwasaidia wasonge mbele.
Mwancho murigiria enkone yo moske murkama nerego chigotokere omwere wekionga chinsa 10 senchira yo wenga omwere kurinda yo monene mange ne chinsa ibere na boyo chinsa nyachobot kubarero nere haron ototo nyangiri chengoro kwa Catherine Nyabuga Wilson Makori cross muna abo imanyirire na boyo kristiri akabere Mike Wis nera koneke muna chibichechi na boyo Mario Ngingo ikira chira senchira yo boyo kranu kwa nere morogobomya na boyo go borigire borobya asemiro bria Getembe TV Wate tumra na ritskure anke.
Esukuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College igego kwarigania ase intake ya January eyu ebwata chikosi ao bunabono Agricultural and Environment Studies, Mechanical and Automotive Engineering, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, Welding and Fabrication na wigo ase ensema ya Building and Civil Engineering nkwegeri bale Plumbing, Masonry, Carpentry and Joinery, Building Technology, civil engineering na wigo water engineering. Ase ensema ya computing and informatics nkwigedi bali ICT operator, ICT technician, computer packages, cyber security na wigo na network system administration. Ase ensema ya electrical and electronic engineering nkwigedi bali electrical installation na wigo electrical engineering. Ase ensema ya cosmetology nkwigedi bali hairdressing wigo mbabwate fashion design. Ase hospitality and tourism nkwigedi bali food production yani cookery na wigo food and beverage production.
Asa Maria Tengorogu James Barari Nyakundi principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College eye gotoka Alimongoni, Kitutu Masaba North Sub-County, Kitutu Masaba Constituency, Nyamira County. Abana baino bali ba college school ya class 8 gose form 4 batagiye universities acha teyo babere isiko ekiagera wonigase Kitutu Masaba ntobwate chikose zicheme kono cy'ububundi cyonsi. Abana ngwakano bali kibese ne serikali wetera the government scholarship nkwaye gubali chiloni cyo gosoma wetera help higher education loans board ne kibese cyo mwana nkwaye wale kiri tutokoroka out of pocket ekyo mwana gotumia ko menye school golendagera na gwakane se nyomba komenya egento kende abana nkwaye gubali chi constituency bursaries and even county government bursaries. Echio applications chirororo naba bunge unabono mubungo Kitutu Masaba constituency bwana honorable Clive Gisairo we are committed sana aso go support abana bagocha Kitutu Masaba egende getangania tabiringa mwana ndo gwense gocha Kitutu Masaba we kagwe bursary in full inta abana baito January intake negendereta abana bali bako school January mwakaribishwe ndogendereta na intake na application sinchigendereta
asamange nabo okubatalira ase skuri yiga kusi obakirisi migwitira sinamba cyabo 0743480999 kusi 0782490068. Enya gitari ya Nuga Best nenya gitari ya chirengu maso gusega sigire mechando ao ya maroire ayo agendera ko bagagucanda mwanya banto nigo babwate emashini yekerero iyo ekorongeya egetekyo mogongo yanyinyitora emekia yane kyabuna chingurungo toka kire ase omubere yasibya manyinga egatemerimende emashini ye nigo eroseranirie amaryogo ayo akorokwa nano diamond titanium ayo agotumeka ase okugweni